What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to go over TGIF. Now, we went over a couple of weekly stocks already. There's only a couple of out there, but I wanted to go over this one because I had somebody comment on a video last week and I haven't had the chance to make the video yet of these special dividends and why it's happening. So with that being said, let's go on ahead and let's jump into this video.
I've been getting dirty money.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video.
Okay guys, special dividends. Basically, so you're going to see that the stock price here is in the top right corner, $103 is what this is going to cost you right now. That's delayed. That's about what it's going to cost you. It may cost you a few more cents since the market is open right now when I'm making this video. But everybody was freaking out about this one right here that I have highlighted. Is you notice it's a $1.49 dividend on the last week of the year. Now, why is that? Because they had a special dividend. Now, other places did that as well. If you look at QYLD, now this is one I don't even remember what their actual special dividend was, but they had a special dividend for the end of the year. So yeah, you got almost 50 cents a share here, which is a big deal. Don't get me wrong. Great dividend there for you. But you don't get those always. It was literally double. And why does this happen? Basically what happens at the end of the year, and let's go back to TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. That's where they get that from, like the restaurant that a lot of them are now going out of business, so not a great investment there. That's just a coincidence. You're going to get 5 cents a week, which, do you know what? Not an awful thing to do, but we want to take it and put it against others that are paying monthly dividends, and then like we're gonna give it the overall market as well, which I think is a very important one, because things happen in the market and you want to at least outperform the market where you'd be putting your 401k money. So here's a portfolio visualizer. If you put 10 grand, you're gonna contribute $500 a month. And where do I get the $500 a month? I get the $500 a month because that is the average car payment in America. Just so we're all clear, that's where I get that number. Absolutely. That is a known fact. It's been in multiple studies. I've worked at car dealerships. It's pretty solid right there. So we have SPY at 100%, HRZN, which is a monthly dividend stock, 100% that deals with financials, and then TGIF, which is, thank God it's Friday. Basically, you're going to get paid something. And I want to go through a couple things here. So as you start going through these, you're going to see HRZN does outperform the market for the most of the time here. Now, we are a little bit under it here, but we're not very far under it, and I think HRZN does have, the ability to keep going. And I want to just show you guys HRZN. Again, you guys don't have to buy this stock or anything. It's just one that it's a solid stock, and you can continuously use it. They had a little bit of a special dividend here for November, and now they are back to 10 cents every single month, which is where they've been for quite a while, even during COVID and all of that stuff. So we want to see annual returns, obviously HRZN and SPY is up, and then our income for the year. Because if you're trading or trying to buy, thank God it's Friday, buy SoFi, you are obviously wanting that income and the compounding to happen. Now, I will say it's probably worth it to buy more shares of HRZN and get paid more. That's just my 2 cents here. Because if you put the same amount of money in HRZN, you're obviously going to get more portfolio income and passive income. Now, annual returns are going to just about match the S&P 500, which is pretty solid if you ask me. This is your portfolio growth, and as you can see, HRZN for 2021 actually outperformed SPY by about 2-3%. It looks like maybe 2%. We'll give it that. Those are things you have to be looking for. Now, is this whole getting paid every single week nice? Absolutely. Don't get me wrong. I like the idea of it. I do think it could be done better. Now, if a company like HRZN said, hey, now we're going to give it every week, I would probably be doing that. But you got to realize that dividend would become smaller, obviously, maybe because you got to split 10 divided by 4. So there you go. You do the math. You can get that there. It's not going to be quite 5 cents, but your share is also a fourth. Maybe, yeah, I think it's about a fourth right now of what this stock price is up here. So that's a big difference too. And then when you're looking at overall, you want to know what you're investing in and things like that. So I think that's an important part of it. But again, do your research. TGIF, I don't think it's a buy. But when it comes down to it, you guys want to know about the special dividend. The special dividend is basically they have extra money. And according to the way that their fund is set up, they have to pay out a certain percentage of the profits every single year. So how do they do that? After paying everything and all that, they come up with, oh, well, we have all this extra money and we have to pay it to our investors. Well, at the end of the year, here's your Christmas bonus. We're going to give you an extra $1.45 basically per share that you own as a gift. Even though they've made their money and everything too, here's an extra $1.50 or an extra $1.40, basically $1.45. You're happy, and everybody goes. Same with QYLD. QYLD basically did the exact same thing there at the end of the year to fix their problem in order to stay compliant. But QYLD also pays every single month. And you get basically the extra every single month anyway. You're getting a certain amount of profits every single month. And then on top of that, it looks like they just had extra in general, or they did extremely, extremely well here. But I believe more than likely they just had extra and they didn't realize that on their balance sheet, and they had to pay that out to everybody. So with that being said, thank you guys all for watching this video. I hope this helps somebody out here. Choose wisely on what you're investing into. I'm not saying go all in on monthly dividend stocks. I am saying choose your investments wisely. Maybe buying a rental property is better for you. Maybe it's not. Maybe stocks are good for you and things like that. So that is up to you. Do your own due diligence, and I will see you guys in the next video.